Well, this is the monsoon we've been waiting for. Tons of thunder, lightning, we've had hail, and you can see the flooding of the driveway means we're gonna have some water in the new ponds. This is the first time we've had a big rainstorm this year. Awesome. Okay, here comes the large size hail. Here we go. I'd say those look like half-inch pieces. Wow. Alright, now the pieces are more like the size of quarters. They're getting bigger. Wow, it's crazy. Some decent chunks of ice out there. Look over there. Wow. All right, here's the aftermath. Got a bunch of water flooding through. Oh, still some freaking pretty aggressive lightning going that way. Might be a little too early to be out here. Hate when it's that close. Probably shouldn't be out here. The things I do for my YouTube audience, huh? Yeah, look at that. Roads are flooded. Look at this. Roads are flooded. Oh, this is awesome. Look at that. My swale is completely full. So is the road. All right, let's go see the pond. I can see Aja's walking out to her pond right now. Everybody wants to know, did their pond fill up? Did the pond fill up? Look at all this water running straight down my road. Okay, all this water right here is going to go straight into my pond. Straight across the field. There's nowhere else for it to go. All right, I got some shoes on that I can get muddy. It is getting muddy. All right, let's see. Let's see what happened. Oh crap, it's getting really soft. Holy crap. Okay. Well, the field is still flooded. All right, well, the water's all collecting. It's still running down. It's still running down this field. I see it running right there. It's running right to the pond, just like I thought. Heck yeah. It's working the way I figured. Wow. Okay, the new berm created a whole new lake. There's a whole new lake on my racetrack. Wow, that is a freaking lake. That is a lake. Okay. You have to deal with that. I see water running into the pond right now. I see a whole river of water running into the pond. Yep. Just like I thought. Oh yeah, it's filling up. Nice. Look at this. It's exactly like I planned it. All the water that runs down the middle of my field, it's all gonna come here. Looks like some of it's trying to divert around the pond. I'll dig a little diversion right there, but just like I thought, look, even all this stuff, it's all draining right back into here. Straight up filling up. Is yours filling up? Has it got water? Listen to that. That's my own river. Hear that? Hear that, folks? That's my own river. It's not going to be here very long, but it's mine. All this water's mine too. Wow. Okay. It's not going to be long until my dog is in there and she's going to be completely trashed. All right. Let's see how, wow, look at this. Okay, so the water that drains off my pond or out of my racetrack is going to go down and fill Lodge's pond. So I'm going to make a diversion to put it into here. Wow, I can't believe how much of the water still diverts completely around and goes straight into hers. Yeah, look at all this went around. That needs to go in. That's all right, I can see what needs to happen now. Look at my gun range. It stayed totally dry. Look at that. No water buildup on it at all. That's exactly what I was hoping for. Look at that. Awesome. It's like half full. I gotta dig some more diversions though, believe it or not. Only like 1/3 of my water went into the pond and 2/3 of it went over here.
Jeff was saying we might need a bigger lake. Or pond. We might need to start it into it.
Well, pretty much all of the water off my racetrack, whoa, comes around the side and comes straight here.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Holy smokes, it's soft over here.
Yeah, we just had to be careful up there. You want to do a slip and slide?
No.
For YouTube?
No, it will too. Yeah, this is really slippery.
Yeah.
No, I'm not going to fall on my ass for YouTube.
Oh, come on.
This is awesome.
We're diving in.
Yeah, the minute I bring Scout out here, she's going in, I guarantee it.
Not up there. Are you a mountain goat? Go. Get in there.
Yeah, I guarantee you Scout is going in. Well, so here's the big trick, right? How long is it going to hold water?
Right, that's what I was just saying. I want to see how long this will stay.
You know, that wasn't even near what we've gotten before. I mean, that was just barely enough to get water running over the surface.
Oh, isn't it amazing though?
Look how much it's going to fill. So if we have any of those big storms, I mean, like I said, this needs to be 100 times this size.
Yeah.
Listen.
Well, we can always add to it. We can dig it out.
Listen to that.
I know, it's like a stream.
That's our own river. That's our own creek right now.
Yeah, creek.
It may not last very long, but it's ours.
Go.
Listen to that. Kellogg, go buddy, get in there. Go, get in. Go buddy, go. Go. Go buddy, go. No, not on me. No, not on me, but no. Look how dirty you are, bud.
I just sang, yeah. I brought a cup. It's gonna be a muddy mess, but I'm gonna get
Okay. Wow, look at this. This is so cool. Okay. All right, walking back through the mudlands. Oh my gosh. Look how I'm dressed, everybody. Can't tell you how cold it is out here. It's probably like 52 or 53. It's really cold. Colder than it was this morning. Man, the wind coming off of that. The wind coming off that monsoon right there is freaking cold. Wow, look at that. Look at all this water just running over. It's so awesome. Well, let's see. It's not quite half full, but I definitely need to direct some more water to go in there because all this runoff of my track, just about all this runoff of my track's going all the way around. And then it looks like quite a bit that comes down through the middle here actually ran around the sides. So I could definitely make more go in there. But that's a nice start. There's probably 2 feet of water in there now. Look at that. So cool. All right, so let's see. How's the lake over here draining on the track? Not too bad. Need to make a better diversion. This is the diversion I dug last year, and it's working. It's definitely working. It doesn't look too bad. Definitely some rivers in it. There always is. It's hard to tell from the videos, but from the top of the track to the bottom, there's a 12-foot elevation change. And that's over probably a 250-foot distance. So that's quite a drop for that distance. Yeah, so my road didn't wash out too much this time. That's not too bad. I think we're looking pretty good overall. Right. Me and Scout are coming out here to survey what we got, survey the damage, I guess, from the storm. So I'll tell you what, it's been a while since I've wore these high C boots. They've got the air cushion in them. Oh man, these things feel nice. So much better than my tennis shoes. All right, here we go. Footbridge held up nicely. Looks like the road flooded. Nothing in the drainage ditches. But I didn't think there'd be any in there. Not yet. So the road flooded about like normal in the tire tracks. This isn't anything that's too bad. You know, we didn't get this completely flat when we repaired it. There's still some low spots. This isn't too bad though. I mean, if we get a lot of people driving through it, these are going to turn into puddles, but a diversion can be dug directly over to in about an hour by hand over to the other ditch. So, and then there'd be no water here at all. So that's the plan. I don't see there being a point when the water's going to build up or be a problem. Boy, it's nice to get a good solid rain like that. Yeah, for the most part, road held up pretty good. Got a few low spots here, but we can always come back and, you know, throw a wheelbarrow down in there, wheelbarrow load of dirt, level it out a little more, help the water keep carrying through. But for the most part, for how much rain we had, this road looks like it held up pretty well. You know, down here, down this way a little farther, that's usually where there's a lot of water puddling up. Yeah, none of this grass, all this real yellow grass you see, none of this stuff is going to turn, they're just going to green back up. But there's another kind of grass that's in between all this stuff. This is a different kind of grass. This is all going to turn green and start growing now. That's what happens every year. Different grasses have different life cycle throughout the year. That's what I love about this place. Seasons. and I've said this before, but where we grew up in Southern California kind of had more like 2.5 seasons. Where we lived up in Oregon kind of had more like 2.5 seasons. But here, we get 4. It's pretty awesome. All right, so just walking out here on the track to survey. There's definitely some puddles in a few spots, but this is what it needed. It's gonna help repack down all that talcum powder we had. And it looks like the new small pond, looks like we got a little bit of water in there, but you know, I wasn't directing any in there. So come on, Scout, it's all mud. Let's go, come on you. Oh yeah, here we go. All right, so I'll let you all see what it looks like when Big Girl discovers the other pond. Yeah, she's all happy. She likes to run around in the mud. She likes the snow. Yeah, this is what the track needed, was a good wash down here. Yeah, we had a little bit of silt flowing. Yeah, here we go. She's gonna discover the water. Oh boy, here we go. Oh, I wanted to see her in it. Okay, I don't want to walk through the mud. All right, I'm trying not to walk through the mud. Oh wow, look at that. There is some water in there. Look at that. Scooter! Scooter! Is there water in there? Is there water in there? Scooter! Go get in there. Are you gonna get in there? You gonna get in there, Scooter? Scooter. Scooter. Go Scout. Go on. This is the one time I'll let you in there. If you want to go in that pond, you can go in there. Come on. Go. Go Scout. Look at that, she's apprehensive. She's never seen water. Scout's never been around a body of water yet. I don't think she knows what to think. Look at that. You can see the dry dirt's not that far underneath. You gonna get in there, crazy girl? Go, go. Go, Scout. Go. Go, Scout, go. Go, Scout, go. Go, Scout, go. Go, go, girl, go. Go. Go, baby girl, go. Go. Go, go, go. Go, Scout, go. Go, 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 Scout, go. Go, go, Scout, go. Go, Scout, go. Go. Go, crazy. Go. Here. Huh. Are you scared to get in there? You go crazy. Go. Go crazy. Just gotta circle the water because you don't know what to do, huh? Go. Go, girl. Get in there. Get in there. Go on. Get in there. Go, Scout. Go. Go. Look at you. Go, get in there. Get in there. It's okay. Scout, you're okay. Yeah, I'm probably gonna have to get in the lake with you, aren't I? I'll take you to a lake and get in there. Girl, good girl. Good girl, you can do it. Good girl, you can do it. Good girl, you can do it. Don't be scared. Don't be scared. Well, couldn't get her to go in. Sue was worried about her going in. She didn't want me to let her, but looks like it's gonna take, I'm gonna have to get in the water with her. She doesn't know. She's very cautious. Probably good. That's how a lot of dogs end up drowning. They get into something over their head. Wow, I don't want to get too close. I don't know what's going on there with this ant's nest, but look at this. There's like a couple of different ones in there with wings, and oh man, they're cutting all over me. All right, I'm out of here. Wow, look at my beans. And look at my comfrey. Look at all the holes in it from the hail. Look at all the holes. Look at the onions. Strawberries. They fared okay. They took a little beating too. Man, the comfrey just looks like it got shot with a shotgun. Look at that. There's holes all over the... Hail. Hashtag hail.